Okay, right. So welcome all of you for this Artificial Intelligence Summer Camp for Kids 2026. So this is our first batch where we are teaching kids. And this is very important because we have to give a complete awareness for the kids from 6 years to 18 years on how to use this AI tools, because nowadays every kids are exploring lot of things in their mobile. So they'll not know which is good, which is bad. Okay, it is we, the parents, the elders who have to guide them, monitor them. So for that reason, this entire session has been conducted. Okay, so we are conducting this. And as I told you, we are from iTech Analytics Solutions, which started in 2012. And now we have another division called as iTech AI Lab. And we also have another division, iTech AI Lab Canada. Okay, so this is the only institute where we actually have complete AI concepts in regional language, that is Kannada. Okay, right. So suppose if you people are not able to attend the classes and if you want to get the videos, see here we have this website called as www.itsinc.in. Okay, inc.in. If you log in here, you will get this website. I will paste this particular website address in the chat box. You can keep it. Okay. Now here you'll have this courses. Click on this courses. When you click on this courses, here you will get category. Click on this category and here you'll get this English course, because this session will be entire session will be in English. Okay. So we are also in talks where there are some people actually message saying that they wanted in Kannada as well. So that I'll see when I will announce that as well. So I'll go here, click on this English courses, and here we have kids. Okay. So it's the first course what we're actually doing in iTech Analytics Solutions. Otherwise, we are into complete professional trainings. I'll click on this kids. Here I'll have this one button, or say, you can see this icon of the course. If you click here, we'll get one website like this. Okay. So this is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. And here, if you click on this free, this will get registered. Okay. Suppose first time if you're actually registering, it might ask your mobile number. Okay. If you are registering for the first time, so you can register by using your mobile number. Don't worry. Nothing. You won't get any spam messages, spam mails or fees or nothing you will get. This is just to access all the videos. As of now, I have added one PDF, that is what we do every day. So these PDFs are there. So tomorrow you will be getting the video here. Say day one, we can see here. If you click on this, this is day one. If you click on this, we'll get, can you say this? This is the PDF what we get. Okay. So this is what I'll be using for today. So this PDF is already there. You can use this PDF here like this. Okay. All right. So you have the PDF here. So the same PDF I'll be using for today's session. Lot of interesting things are there. So you can download this PDF from here. So you don't have to wait for me. Okay. Only the video what I'm actually doing today, conducting today. So that will be here. So you can watch that video later after I upload. Okay. So that video you'll be getting the next day. That means today's video you might get the next day because I have to upload it. Okay. Fine. So let me talk about who we are. Okay. So we are iTech Analytics Solutions. As I told you, we are into data analytics. Okay. So let me also talk about our institute. Okay. So let me just show our complete. Okay. So people, I'll just walk you through our profile so that people can actually feel that we are genuine. Okay. And we are there from last 15 years. So I don't want you people to feel that, there is free, there is something scam or something, because I've heard a lot of things like this. So I am telling you, this is completely for the kids, completely free. Okay. So I'll not walk you through the entire brochure. I just wanted to tell you that what actually we do here. Okay. So we are actually into data analytics and data analytics, data science, and these kind of courses. Okay, I'm just walking you through, so I'll not go and tell you all regarding. See, iTech Analytics Solutions, we are founded in 2012 and we are completely into technical trainings. Okay, we do corporate trainings, we do a lot of college trainings and all, and also we have been recognized by state government, central government. Okay, so we also do college training. See, these are some of the colleges what actually we go and we train. Okay, and these are all our clients where we go and train. So we have Syngin, Tata Industries. Okay, so all these companies we actually train, and these are all our clients where we also give some placement assistance as well. Okay, so we are into Microsoft certifications as well. Okay, so we actually certify all the students and also professionals from Microsoft. We give certificates. Okay, so we are partnered with Microsoft as well. Okay, right. So we also do placements, and what else I can actually tell you. Okay. Okay, these are all the awards from state government, central government and all. We have got some awards here. You can go through this PDF. This PDF also I'll be sharing it with you. And we have been recognized in many international magazines as well. So we've taken a lot of awards international as well. So we've come with so many other useful things as well. And we also have something called as ITAS Asare, where we help the poor kids for their educations and we conduct free trainings. People, please be on mute. I'll give time to speak. Okay. We do technical trainings every year twice for Punit Rajkumar's birthday and for Rajotsava. 1000 students will be giving free trainings with certificates. And we have done a lot of NGO activities as well, awareness as well. Okay. And this is me. Okay. So you can go through this particular page if you want to see who is the trainer. So I have been in the industry from last 20 plus years. Okay. I have been awarded with various different awards as well, and I've been there in the news, magazines, in many places. Okay. All right. So this is what we are, and we are there in Facebook, Instagram, all these things you can follow. Right. This is my introduction, our institute introduction. Why I actually told this is you people should feel that we are genuine, and to be very frank, we are not charging anything for you. This is completely free. Please make use of this. Okay. Right. Now, let me come back to you people, the parents and the kids. Okay. I will take 5 minutes of yours, and you people have to tell me that what actually you are expecting from this training so that I can also understand what actually you people want from this training. And I have a lot of things for you people where you can actually gain a lot of things. Okay. Let me open. Yeah, now you people can unmute and speak. If anybody wants to speak, you can speak. After a few minutes, I will close my camera as well because I want only the screen to be seen. Okay. Right. Arush Reddy, good evening. Okay. Now, people, parents or the kids, you can unmute and you can tell me what actually you're expecting and what are you feeling about this initiative. I'll give only 5 minutes after that because kids are very much eager to build their own website, their apps, movies, cartoons. So I don't want to bore them. Okay, just 5 minutes. It's your time now. Quick. I'll not give more than 5 minutes. Any parents want to speak? Any kids want to speak?
Hello, sir. Hi, Sunil here.
Sunil, hi.
Hi, I hope you are doing well.
I'm doing good. Tell me.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So this is my son Rahitya, 9 years old. So the reason why I enrolled is to ensure that he's up to the knowledge. I mean to gain knowledge, and I need to ensure that he's up to date with all the technology revolution that's happening around the globe. I just wanted to ensure that he's updated at the same time.
And I feel very happy that many parents are were my students. Now their kids are were my students.
Yeah, I'm one among them.
Right. So that's one happiest thing actually. So their parents were my students. Now their kids are my students.
That's true. That's true.
Thank you so much, Sunil. Right.
Thank you.
So anybody else wants to speak?
Hi, Pudu. This is
You
Shiva.
tell your name also, please, so that there are many people I cannot recognize.
Hi, Pudu. This is Shiva.
Shiva, hi. How are you?
How are you? I'm
After
doing good.
many
How are you?
years.
Thank you. Thank you. So I give an opportunity to my son Shripad.
Mm,
So rather than I teach him, I want to hear from you what is the best way of using AI so
yeah.
that you will get more knowledge.
So I think after 15 years, I guess, right? We are actually meeting.
Yeah, in between we had a phone conversation, but we didn't meet.
Ah, I still remember that Goa days we went.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So,
Yeah.
hi, Sripad.
Hi, sir.
Your dad and me are actually ex-colleagues and friends. Okay, so he's a very technical person, so you should also grow something like him. Okay.
Okay.
So the technology, what we had long back, now the technology is completely changed. Right? Okay. Anybody else?
Thank you.
Anybody else quickly? Another 2 minutes? No one? Okay, fine, no worries. So I will switch off my camera now because I want entire sessions to be monitored on screen. I request all of you also, so please switch off your camera so that we'll concentrate only on the content, not anything, what happens if someone switch on the camera, the topics will get distracted. So we'll be keep watching ourselves. So whenever we are speaking, then we'll switch on the camera. Okay, so I'll switch off my camera. All of you, okay, all the parents, make sure that your kids have switch off their cameras. Why? Because while recording, it will cover the half of your screen. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much, all of you, and please be on mute. I will be keep asking some questions. Rohit and Abhi, can you switch off your camera? Yeah, thank you so much. Right. So, people, all of you, all the parents, if you want to make notes, you can keep one book and you can make notes. Otherwise, also no worries. Anyways, this recording will be given to you people. So don't worry about the recordings. And I will also be giving a lot of practical things. Today, we'll just understand about the artificial intelligence. A lot of things to understand because most of us, what we do is we just go, we'll take mobile or we'll open an app and we'll type something, we'll get the results. No, that is not actually the the way of using AI. I will tell you the actual way of using AI and the right way of making use of this AI. Don't misuse it. Okay. AI can be used as good, bad, ugly. So we'll only fall under good. Let's not go and think about bad and ugly. That is not for us. Okay. All the kids who are there here are very good, I know. And you people should be more better and give a very good name to your parents as well as for iTech Analytic Solutions and for me as well. Okay. Right, people. So let me start the session. All of you, please be on mute. Again, I'm telling you, switch off your cameras because I cannot monitor now. Because once I start this session, I cannot monitor you people whether you have switch on your camera. So please, you will be the loser. Otherwise, half of your screen will be only your face. Okay, please. Okay, so first, today, what we'll do is we'll understand what is AI and we'll do some fun activities. Okay, for all the kids. Today, I am something great. I'll be making some videos, stories, apps. I'll be your master today. I'll be your boss. I'll be the God. Okay, we'll create so many things for you people. I'll be teaching you a lot of things. Okay, introduction to AI and some fun activities. Okay. All right. First of all, what we'll do is in the middle, I'll be asking you people some questions. I don't want parents to answer, let kids answer. Okay. Right. First of all, see, we all know that by knowledge or without knowledge, we use AI. Okay. All the kids also know this. Every day, if you see your parents or you will be keep on scrolling your Instagram or YouTube videos or play some games, mobile apps. Okay, so this is where we have AI implemented already. Okay, many of them already knows, many of them doesn't know. If you know, it is fine. If you don't know, let me tell you, while we are watching YouTube, we get similar kind of videos when we actually keep on watching. Okay, how is that possible? That is possible because of machine learning. Okay, what it will do is the artificial intelligence will study what actually you're trying to do the action. Okay, then it will suggest some videos. You're playing some games, you can see, because I'm very poor in playing games, let me tell you, but I've seen many kids playing games. They'll be keep on playing some online games or say offline games. There also we have this artificial intelligence implemented. Mobile apps, you'll be using some apps, right? There also we have a lot of AI implemented. Okay, now the kids, you can type, tell me where you have seen, other than these three, where you have seen AI. Just 30 seconds I'll give. If you can type, you can type. Just 30 seconds. Let's not waste much time. So there are so many people, I don't know all your names. Photos, very good. ChatGPT, very good. Good. Gemini, school. Okay, school. Sripadasin in school, Bhavik school. Okay. UPI apps. Okay. TV, very good. Rahitya, TV, videos, Mukunda, videos. Okay. Right. Tab, Gemini, Google. Okay. Projectors. Okay. Right. Now stop. Google. Oh, yeah, very good. ChatGPT. Okay. Bhuvan. Very good. Okay. Now stop. Okay. Now I got various different answers. Some are saying ChatGPT, some are saying Gemini, some are saying Google, some TVs, projectors, so many places. That means AI is everywhere now, right? So we are aware of it. But technically, there are so many things. I will be introducing you people to the world of artificial intelligence. Okay. First, we'll understand what is AI. Okay. Everyone will speak AI, AI. But what is AI? Let's understand. AI means artificial intelligence. The word intelligence itself will say that it is very intelligent. But let me tell you, it is not so very intelligent than human. Okay. So anything comes artificial intelligence that is not bigger than human intelligence. Keep this in mind. Okay. AI, artificial intelligence. What is that? It is a smart computer brain. Like what we have brain. Similarly, the AI is nothing but I have a system in that it will think so brilliantly that whatever I need, it will answer when I ask it. It will not give just like that. But now they are making some workflows. You people don't worry about those things. Artificial intelligence will work when we give some instructions. What it will do, it can think, it can learn, it can also help us. Okay, how it will think. Okay, like how we think, similarly, it will think and it will give us the output. AI is like a smart friend inside the computer. Okay, like how I am for you. I'm a very good friend of you people, right? Similarly, AI is a good friend of computer. It is something like a brain. Okay, so like how I am actually helping you people, supporting you people, I'm a good friend of you, right? Similarly, AI is also very good friend of computer. Keep this in mind, and that is the brain of the computer. Okay, right. Now, you people, everyone were talking about Google, Gemini. Okay, you people were actually talking about some apps, but let me tell you people about something. Okay, where some of you might be aware of it because some of your parents are very good technically. They might be from technical background. They would have thought you. But people who have not got the chance, let me tell you. Okay. This AI tools, whatever you use in your system, you are making some photos, you'll go to Gemini. You will make some, app or something, you'll go to few other applications. But who are those companies who are monitoring this or who have invented this? Let's talk about it. There is a company called as OpenAI. Okay, they are the owner of this ChatGPT. Google, okay, we have Gemini. Okay, this is Gemini. Anthropic, Claude. It is very, very important. And parents, if you're there, okay, if any of your kids who are above 13 years, okay, on the fifth day, I will tell you, we are actually on some mission of getting these certificates from Claude. So Claude might get partnered with us. It might get partnered with us. Anthropic Claude is, booming like anything in the industry. So for this, there is a rule that kids should be above 13 years. So if any kids are there, okay, so we actually don't prefer now only for all these kids. But again, if there are anyone who wants to take the certificates, this is completely free. Again, we are not charging anything. Okay, so that I'll talk about fifth day. Meta, you would have seen this Facebook. Okay, so we have this Meta, Instagram, Facebook, and all is from Meta. They have Llama. Okay, they have Llama, which is similar to ChatGPT. Microsoft, we all know that Microsoft, that is a company. We have Copilot. I will show you all this how they actually work. XAI. Okay, previously it was Twitter, now it is XAI. It is Grok. Okay, they have a application called as Grok. Okay, now let me just walk you through this. So what I've done, I have got all the applications also for you. See, this is Gemini. Okay, this Gemini has got lot many interesting things. I told you, you people can create your own stories. Here you have the storybook. Okay, you can play a lot of things. I will show you all this. You people will be very much happy about it. You can create your own stories. Okay, you can create your own apps, websites, everything can be created in this Gemini. What we people will do, we'll go to Gemini and we'll just create one photo. That's all. No, we can do lot many things in this. I'll show you that. ChatGPT. Okay, this is from OpenAI. Here, this is almost all the AI tools are similar, but they've got their own. See, for example, now I want to become a programmer. I want to write code. See, we have this codex. Okay, here we have different apps, images what I've created. I want to create some projects, so many things. Apart from that, if you go to this GPTs, there are so many GPTs. What is GPT? I'll tell you later. That side slide also is there. Claude. Okay, this is the new thing which is there in the industry. Okay, if anybody wants to complete their certificates above 13 years, I'm there, don't worry. Okay, so here this also is very much similar to ChatGPT, but this has got lot many things. And people, all of you listen, Claude is very much safe, and this is the best AI tool what I can say. Why? Because they actually think about only good things. When I say good things, they are thinking about, suppose if any employee is there in the company, they are actually thinking about each and every employee that they'll not lose their jobs. Okay. So these people are very friendly and very good. So we are actually, liking this Claude because of that only. The lot of things are there, but here you cannot create images, videos like what we create in ChatGPT. Grok. This is from XAI. Okay. This again here. This is actually mostly used for videos and photos or something like that, like ChatGPT. Then we have DeepSeek. Then we have Perplexity. Then we have Copilot. This Copilot, and we have Google Labs. Okay. This is where you people will enjoy a lot. All the kids here, if you just go, and even the parents also, a lot of things are there here. See, all these are the Google apps. See, all these. If you people wants to make some movies and all, this is my favorite. You have this flow here. Okay. I will show you how to make your own movies. Okay. This is my favorite actually. I use a lot. I make a lot of movies. When you come to this videos, right, I'll show you. I have done a lot of movies also. I'll be showing you that as well. Okay. So these are the tools. I will share this link also with you people. If you want, they can use this. So these are the companies. So I want you people to keep in mind. Don't forget. Okay. These are AI companies and their products. Let me repeat again. OpenAI, ChatGPT, Google, Gemini. People, please be on mute. Parents, just monitor
Yeah.
your kids.
Uh,
कानामध्ये
People, please, please, please. I'm requesting all of you. Check if your mic is on. Shubha. Parents, please make sure that you are in mute. Okay. This is just a request. Why? Because nano banana, yes, that's also one module actually. Okay. So why I'm telling you people is this recordings will be given to you. So if there is any disturbance, so you might, not be able to understand. Okay. All right. So these are smart AI tools made by big companies. There are so many. Okay. Not only this, these are something main thing. Now someone mentioned Nano Banana. Okay. Nano Banana is from whom? Again, that is from Google. Okay. So if you go to Google AI Studio, there you will get that. I'll show you all this when you come to this images, videos and all. I will teach you all various different modules. Right. So what is artificial intelligence? Just now we saw that it is nothing but it's a friend of the computer, that is the brain of the computers. Machines that can think like humans. Okay, AI is smart brain inside computers. I already told you. Searches information. People, please, please. It's again and again I'm requesting you. Please be on mute. Okay, I'll give time so that you people can unmute and speak to me. Yeah. Searches information, gives smart answers. How? If you see ChatGPT, I'll give one message. It'll give me some output. How? That is because of this artificial intelligence. It will think, it will search, and then it will give me the output. Okay, so that is AI. Then what is machine learning? I'm not here to teach you people in depth of it. Just keep this in mind. What is machine learning? Okay, mean that word itself says machine learning means something related to machines, right? What it will do is now, for example, I told you YouTube will understand what actually we are doing. How that will understand? For example, I'll watch one cartoon. Okay, when I watch the cartoon, it will try to understand what kind of cartoon you are watching. Next video, again you're watching similar kind of cartoon. It will think that, okay, this person is actually watching the same kind of cartoon. The data is captured. Okay, the data. The data is nothing but the information. The next video also, if you do that, then what it will do is it will try to understand your, taste, what actually you're trying to search for. Then what it will do is this machine learning will run an algorithm. Algorithm means it's a set of instructions inside. It will start giving you the same kind of videos, lot of technical things inside, but you just understand machine learning is nothing but it's a process. What will happen is it will learn from the data what actually we are trying to use it, and then it will give me the output. Okay, learn, say, for example, now say for example we learn something, we practice something, right? So it is something like that. Say YouTube learns what videos you like. I already gave this example. Okay, this is machine learning. Okay. Now, what is deep learning? Don't think too much. I'll just tell you all these terminologies. Just keep this in mind. It is too much for you people to keep this, to learn all this now only. Okay, but keep this in mind. This is very important for everyone to understand, all the kids. Now, what is deep learning? Deep learning is something similar to machine learning, but deep learning is something more than that, advanced than that. What is that? Say, for example, you would have seen in your, say, Apple mobiles, okay, face recognition. So if I go, say, if I give the password, it will open, but sometimes it will recognize your face and then open. How? Because it will try to understand something like how we actually think. There is something called as neurons. Okay, so how we think, that is because of all the nervous system what we have, the nerves what we have. Similarly, this deep learning will think about like what we think. Okay, so if you see all this artificial intelligence and all is most commonly used as deep learning because it will think like humans. Okay, so neurons, what we call, so that you'll have here a deep learning. It is nothing but advanced learning using layers. Okay, like a super brain with many layers thinking deeply. Okay, example, face recognition. So if you have this iOS mobile, that is Apple mobile, if you see that, if you keep your face in front of it, it will it will open that mobile and it will give access to all the other applications. Okay, so artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning are main thing for developing the apps of artificial intelligence. Right. Now we all actually are thinking about ChatGPT, so many things. What is this GPT? Okay, GPT is actually a technical word. Let me tell you what it is. All of you now, when I say Chat GPT means, see here, GPT means generative pre-trained transformer. Now, what is that? Generative means generating something. Pre-trained means it is already trained. All the AI tools are already trained. Then only they can actually do it. That means we have to keep on giving the examples. But what happens is the AI tools will learn by themselves. Okay, for example, now I can see there are so many kids here. They are very much eager to learn a lot of things. Once we say something, they'll start learning by themselves. GPTs are like that. Smart talking brain. So that means they are very smart. Generative pre-trained transform. Transform means it will just try to understand and then it will start giving the outputs. Okay. See, GPT is like a super smart robot that can talk, write, and answer questions. We call it as Gen AI. I'll tell you in the next slide. Example, you ask, tell me a story. GPT creates a story instantly. Okay. Now what I'll do, let me just minimize and we'll go to this chat GPT itself. Okay. I'll go here. What I'll do is I'll just say, I want to create a story about all the super kids.
Listen and create at the same time.
Excuse me. Was that a question? I will take all your questions. Okay. Please don't worry. I'll take all the questions. Okay. All right. So I'm just trying to create a, okay. I want to create a story about all the super kids in this class. Please narrate me a super story in just 1,000 characters. Okay, see, in front of you, I just typed something and I will say, let's see what it will give. See, let it give. Done. See, it gave something here. Suppose if you want to increase, you can go here. If you want, you can go here and we can increase the number of characters. So I'll tell you what this message is called about. This is actually called as prompt. Okay, how this prompt works, that also we'll see. Okay. Right. Now let me go back. Where is that slide? Yeah. Okay. So you saw that I gave some information. It is giving me the output. Right. Okay. Next, LLM. Okay. What is LLM? Just now someone asked, is Gemini GPT? Okay. See, if you see here, GPT means it is pre-trained. ChatGPT and all, they're all pre-trained. If you just see, ChatGPT will always not give the right results. There are some mistakes it will give. I don't know how many of you have observed. Why? Because the GPTs will only work till where it is trained. When I started using ChatGPT, let's say 2 or 3 years back when it came newly, it was coming. It was just in an experimental level. So it was always saying that I have the data trained up to 2021. So after that, you ask anything, it will not give any answers. But if you see this LLM is what? Large language model. It will understand what actually we give. The English, say I just typed something, right? So even ChatGPT is a LLM, okay, large language model. It is very big brain trained with lots of books and knowledge. What it will do is it'll get trained by itself, or they'll be keep feeding some information, and it will go to websites, it'll search everything, and it will keep on loading itself. That's why whenever I give any question, it will answer. Previously, people, all the questions I'll take. Okay, don't worry. Just give me a few minutes. I'll take all the questions. Okay, it understands words, sentence, questions, everything it will understand. How? Because it has got lot and lot of information stored already in its memory. Okay, all right. Now, next one. I'll just finish few slides and then we'll have a discussion. Okay, now there is something RAG. Okay, so there is something called as RAG. What is RAG? I'll tell you. I was talking about ChatGPT, and I told ChatGPT can give the results or the output only till what it is trained. It can give right results or it can give wrong results. Okay, but what RAG will do? Retrieval augmented generation. Okay, this is something very technical, but I'll tell you in brief. What it will do is it will try to search the latest information, it will search and it will give, so that we'll get the latest, whatever details are there, we'll get that. Otherwise, what happens? We'll get all the old results and we might not get the new updates. Okay, so this RAG system will help us combining with the GPTs what we have, the LLMs what we have, and then we'll get the latest information. Okay, all right. Next, what is prompt? Now, before going to this prompt, there are a few questions. I will take that and then I'll come to this prompt engineering. This is very important. Next time, whenever you people think that I want to write some prompts, what all I have to do, what is the secret formula I should use while writing the prompts, everything I'll tell you, but I'll give you some time. Let's take some 5 minutes. There are some discussions. Then I'll get back to the class. Okay, fine. Right. So some people are actually asking the questions. Right. But tell me, you have so many questions. Say here, I'll just read the questions here and then you people have any questions you can ask. Nano banana. Yes, it is also AI. In short, it is actually not AI. We can implement AI in that. Okay. So in short is a video and photo editing application where we can use AI in that. AI concepts will be implemented in that. It's not AI tool. Okay. Right. I have iOS mobile. Okay. Is Gemini a GPT? No, Gemini is actually, it works on the concept of LLMs, that is large language model, where we give a lot of questions to that and we give the answers. And it has got a different model where it will give, videos or audio that I'll tell you when you come to this Gen AI. Okay. Right. Then Alexa, yes. Alexa is also one kind of AI. Yes. What is the main motto of LLM? Okay. A good question actually. LLM, what it will do is, see, for example, it is a kind of ocean actually. Okay. It will take all the information and it will keep. Now, what I'll do, I'll give one question or say one prompt. So it will try to understand that particular language. Say, I give it in English or Kannada or Tamil or whatever, it will understand. And then it will try to go and search whatever data it is trained and it will give the output. In which format it will give? It will give in the format of text, photo, that is image or video, or it can be in the format of say voice. Okay, that is what was happening till now. Now it can give the output in various different applications as well. Okay, right. Okay, Bhuvan, you have raised hand. You have any questions, Bhuvan?
Nothing, sir. Actually, did by mistake, sir. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Right, Rahitya, sir, prompt useful. This I'll tell you, Rahitya. About prompts, I'll tell you. Next, I'll be talking about prompts. What are cookies? Cookies are something where, see, I'll tell you, cookies are in our systems. Okay. Say, for example, now I'll open on website. So what happens? There are some information which will get stored in our system. So what will happen next time when I actually open the same website or something. So they'll collect some information that is internal information. Okay, so that you don't worry, that is nothing related to AI. But yes, the data can be used in AI. Okay. Will it give the current results or LLM? Yes, LLM with RAG systems. We are getting the late. Previously it was not happening. Now we'll get the latest information. What is Grok? It is not Grok, it is Grok. Rohit and Abhi, it is Grok. Grok is nothing but I showed you. It is an app from XAI. XAI is a company that is Twitter. Previously it was Twitter. Now um, they have changed the name as XAI. So it is the product. Say Grok is a product of this thing. Okay. Right. Any other questions? No, no problem, Rohit. I understood. Grok. Grok, I showed you the application. See, here we have this Grok. Okay. Yeah, this is the Grok. It is something similar to your other modules, what we have ChatGPT or Gemini or something. So this is again another tool, also you can call it as app. Right. Any other questions, people? Okay. Let me take 30 seconds, a feedback time. Okay. How are you people feeling? I know this is most theory, so kids might not like. Few minutes after that, only practicals. Complete, we'll learn about, the practical way of creating videos, websites, and all those things. But Grok full form, even I don't know. I can check and I can let you know. Kids will ask some questions which we even would have not thought. Frankly, Rifa, till now, even I didn't get that question only. Yes, yes, Sai Anish, you will be learning, but not today. Okay, not everything today only. I will teach you how to create apps. I will teach you how to create games. Okay, I will teach you how to create websites, movies, cartoons, and also I'll tell you how you people can start your own YouTube channel and Instagram channel also. Okay, right. So quickly, I want 30 seconds. I want your feedback quickly. So that I'll also be happy, right? Curious. Okay. Very complicated. Why, Gaurik? Nothing is complicated. I didn't start anything. Okay, Sripad, nice. We learned many full forms. Okay, very good. Sai Anish, very easy. Okay. Quickly. Don't take much time. I'm not telling you to type stories. Just say how you felt about the class. Okay, fine. Fine, people. If you can type, it's fine. If not, no worries. Okay. Right. Let's go back now. Okay, all of you. Thank you so much. Balaji, Bhuvan, wonderful. Okay, exciting. Good, sir. Learned many things. Okay, learned something new, useful for future. Very good. Very good. Okay, right, people. Now let's stop. Let's go back. Yes, Bhavik, I will tell you how to, uh, you know, post your games in Play Store. But for that, there are some charges. Okay. Gaurik, you have a YouTube channel. I don't use it. That is left to you. Okay. If you think you want to, I'll tell you why YouTube's and Instagrams are actually used. Let's not divert the topic. Okay. Right. So, Bhavik, to answer your question, so if you think that you want to post or say, host your app or website, so there are some charges for that. You have to pay for that. Okay. So that you should actually take care. Otherwise, creating is easy, but hosting itself will take some charges. Okay. That I'll tell you how actually you can do that. Complete process, I'll tell you.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, what
Your
is
name.
nano banana?
Huh?
What is nano banana?
Okay. What's your name?
Gorik.
Gaurik, okay. Nano banana is actually a model, okay? if you go here, let's say I will go to Gemini. Okay. Here we have, okay, here I want to create some image, right? So if you go here, this image, what it will create, correct? That is called as nano banana. We don't have that here. Okay, now they're removed, but what it will use here, the model, what it will use, that is called as nano banana. So it is something like, you can call it as, you call it some applications and all, right? So, similarly, that is one, say, what you say, it is another module. So for example, let me just show you. I'll go to this Claude. Can you see here, we have this sonnet. This is another module. Okay, this will actually give you, so you can see that Haiku, sonnet, opus. So all these are different models, okay, which actually will help us in creating, say, some actually are used for writing say applications, codes. We have to write some programs. Some are actually used for creating videos. Okay, so nano banana is something like that. Don't worry, we'll speak about only on these different models when you come to this particular subject. Every day up to Friday, I'll be keep talking about apps, videos, many things are there. I will teach you people. Okay, so let's move on, all of you. Yes, Gaurik,
Sir.
no worries. I will teach you completely on that. As of now, just think that it is another model where it will help me in creating images. Okay, got it?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, when I open ChatGPT, sir,
Huh? When you open.
when I open ChatGPT,
Okay.
I type something. It shows that ChatGPT can make some mistakes. You can check cookie preference. Why does it show cookie preference?
Hmm. What did I say now? All the AI models are not so intelligent like humans. Okay. So whatever I get the results, it is on the safer side. It will tell that whatever I give the results. See here, you can see that ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important info, see cookie preferences. See, the cookie means that I just told you, okay, it'll store all the information. Say, for example, I open one website, okay, there will have this password, it asks for username. So all these will be stored in my system. Based on that, okay, so the results what I get. For example, if you go here, let me just see. Just okay, if you go here in the settings, okay, here we'll have uh, okay, here we'll have the data. Okay, so what happens, whatever we keep typing, right, so that will get stored here. It gets stored here. Okay, so what happens, all the data, whatever I keep typing, say for example, now I typed something here, right? So if there are any information, that will get stored here. For example, now let's say Gaurik, you type about you will completely train the chat GPT about Gaurik. Okay. Next time you type in your chat GPT, it will give your information. Now you see, I'll go here and I'll type. Your name is Gaurik, correct? Gaurik, you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Say Gaurik, correct? Is it correct?
Yes,
What
sir.
happened? Yeah. Can I get more information about this person? Now you just see, I'll say enter. See what it is saying? Gaurik isn't clear. I don't know who is he or who is she. Correct. Now you type in your system, it will come. Why? Because you have trained your model like that. That is called as cookie. So what happens? It will store all your information there. But now if I type, say, iTech analytic solution, see, see here. Can you see this? Now you type in your system also, It will come, but not this information, but it will give the information. You can try that. Why? Because we are there in the website from very long back. Okay, so it is all about the data, how it studies, how it go and search in the internet. Getting my point?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can I
Huh? Yeah,
one
tell me. Is that a question, people? Okay. Anyways, now let's move on. Okay. A lot of interesting things are there. I don't want only theory because I know kids how they actually feel. They are here to learn a lot of things practically. But these informations are very important. Now, people, listen. All of you stop typing and also the questions, whatever. Just listen now. This is very important. Okay. First of all, let's understand about prompt. What is a prompt? Okay. Now, when I ask a question here, if you just observe this in this chat GPT, I told about a story for super kids. I typed something here. This is called as prompt. This is prompt. Prompt is nothing but the statement or the query what we give to the model, that is AI, to give results. Now you just observe, I'll go here, I'll take a new chat. Okay, I'll say, tell a story. This is a prompt. I will say enter. Tell a story. What it is thinking. It is giving me some story, but what story? It is just giving me whatever it needs, whatever it is thinking. This is called as the bad prompt. But see, I'll say, tell a story about the super kids in the class who are very intelligent. Okay, very intelligent and wants to learn more on AI. See, these kind of prompts are called as good prompts. Why? Because see, tell a story. We don't know. The chat GPT will not understand what actually the story you needs. It'll just give the output. But you see here, tell a story about the kids in the class who are very intelligent and wants to learn more about AI. I'll say run. Can you see that? Now you see it will go specifically, it will try to understand. Now you see that it is giving me Anya, Rohan, Meera, Arjun. But suppose now you see I want the characters as Bhuvan, Gaurik, Chitra, Shripad. Okay. Now you see. Now what it will do? Now it will take these characters. See? So this is called as chain of prompts. Okay, I gave one prompt here, tell a story. It is not good. Why? Because it won't understand anything. Now, if you go here, you can see that I have one complete prompt here. I'm just giving right instructions. It is giving me the story. But the characters, they are not the characters what I wanted. So I'll go here, I'll mention the character names here. It will give based on that. So what happens here is it will, we have to give a specific statements. The statement what we give, the query what we give, that is called as prompt. For that, if we people, please don't speak for some time. Okay, I'll give time. Don't worry. The query what we give, the detailed information what we give to the GPTs or LLMs, and we give the output. We have to master something here. So that is called as prompt engineering. Okay, people, any questions? You just keep it with you. After 2 or 3 slides, again I'll come back. What is prompt? Say talking to AI smartly. How we ask the questions to AI. That means how we are asking the queries, how we are actually asking the question to AI. So better question equals better answer. If you ask a right question with right details, it will give us the right input or say output. Otherwise, see, tell story, tell a funny story about the robot in space. These two are different. When I say tell story, you saw what happened. When I gave a detailed information, what happened. Okay. Now there is a rule. I want all of you just make a note of it. All of you, okay, all the kids or parents, just make a note of this. This is a formula for writing the right prompts. What is that? R T C R O S. This is a formula. What is this? Let me tell you. First R, there is nothing but role. What is that role? I'll practically show you what is that. Role. Role means who is this person? What actually I should make my AI to behave? The role I'm specifying. Task. What is the task I have to do? Okay. The task what we're actually giving to that GPT or say that AI. Context. For whom? For whom is this? The output I'm getting. So who is my audience? Who is my client? Those kind of things. Rules. Are there any rules which I'm trying to apply? Say, I want, you can see that I gave one story. I mentioned that the rule is it should be only 1,000 characters. Those kind of rules I'm applying. Output, in which format I need. Okay. Then the style. Say, if you see all this, role, task, context, rules, output, and the style. This is what actually we have to give the prompt as, not just simply type something and then expect some output. Let me go here. Okay, I'll take a new chat. Now, let's say I want to create one cartoon. Okay, now here I'll say act as a world's #1 cartoon specialist. I'll say cartoonist. What is this? This is nothing but the role. Okay. Next, always people, the kids and the parents, when you're actually writing the prompts, make sure that you will give point by point. That is more easier for the AI to understand. Okay. Act as world's #1 cartoonist. I'm telling the chat GPT behave like this. You know what happens? Now, if I give this, it will try to filter the data where the AI behaves like a cartoonist. Okay. Next, what I'm giving the task. I want a forest with many animals sitting and discussing about to attend the AI summer camp 2026. Okay. Like how you people are sitting here right now in the forest, the animals are actually sitting and discussing because they want to come here and attend these classes, right? Okay. Conducted by iTech AI Lab. Okay. I will say powered by ITAS. Done. Okay. Now this is the task what it has to create. Context. Context means for whom? Okay. This is for information to be published in Instagram. I want to publish this in Instagram. Okay. Next, rules. The rule is all the animals should be sitting near a rock where tiger and a lion is guiding them. Okay. Next, output. The output should be as a image. Okay. Now, what is the style? The style is Pixar. Okay, so there are various things. If you know that there was something called as Ghibli, cartoon, Pixar. If you don't know, don't worry. You ask ChatGPT, it will give. Say Pixar image with 9:16. Or no one. We'll say 16:9. Okay, image. Okay, don't worry about these things. When you come to this Instagram and YouTube, I'll tell you what is the 16 by 19, 19 by 16, all these things. Now I'll click on this plus mark. You can see that I have various different options. What are this? This I'll tell you later in next classes. I'll say create image. You understood? So here I gave all these formula. What is that? Role, task, context, rules, output and style. Now you see, I will say create this image. See, it is creating the image. I don't know what it will give. We have to wait because I have this, the free version. That's why it is just giving me something like this. But otherwise, if you have the paid version, this would be very fast actually. Let it come. Okay. Meanwhile, what we'll do, we'll finish some more slides. Let this generate. We'll go here. Next is what are tokens? Okay. Now you understand what are tokens. Now I'll show you practically what are tokens. You can see that each and every word, they're actually called as tokens. When I message, okay, people, when I message this, don't think that this entire thing will go and ChatGPT will give the results like that. You know what it will do? It will try to understand each and every word here like this. Okay. If you go too technically, you'll get confused. But just imagine that all these are feeded as feed. It will feed as tokens. Why? Because it has to understand. People, let me tell you, it will not directly understand the English what we actually speak. Okay. Now you just say, I'll take a notepad. Okay. Now let's take an example. I'll say bank. When I say bank, this bank, what is this bank? Now, if I ask you people, what is this bank? We say that it is a bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, or something. Okay. But suppose if I say a river bank, then this is the river bank. So the ChatGPT will understand with this format. If I say bank, it will not understand. It will just give whatever the result gives. When I say river bank, then again it will go. It will take this token, it will match. Each and everything will match, and then it will give the output. Okay, so tokens are nothing but all these characters are feeded as the small tokens. I mean, it will be keep on, each and every word will be keep linked. Then it will give the output. And I can see that we got the output. See, you can see the lion, you can see the tiger, and there are so many animals here. Okay, so this is how actually it will get generated. Now, this is with Pixar. Now, what I'll do, I'll go here and say, I want the real animals in the image. Let me just give one more chain of prompt. This is called as chain of prompt. Let me just give. I'm not happy with this cartoon. Now I'm saying I want real animals in the image. Let's see. Okay. So it will take some time. Let it generate. So meanwhile, we'll go back to the slide and see. See, tokens are nothing but small pieces of words. Simple. Say AI reads words in small parts called tokens. Just now I explained. Say hello world. You can see that hello and world both are different. I mean, not different, both are different words. It will be feed it to the model. Then what it will do is internally there are a lot of things will happen. So let's not go into that. It will give the output as what we want the image. Okay, like this image what we got, it will study all this and then it will generate the image. That's why you can see there are so, otherwise how will it actually create? See, so clear it is. Now let's go here. See here. Now it is giving me the real animals here like this. See, same thing, but here are all the real animals. It is not so very clear. So you can take this again to another chat and then you can create it. Okay, so likewise you can create any kind of images, videos, and everything you can do it. Even the apps, website, everything. Okay. Right. So this is called as prompt. So why I'm telling all these things is tomorrow when we start working on this prompts, then you should not think how did this actually getting generated. Okay. All right. Next, before going to this, again we'll have a discussion. We'll go back. There are so many people asking questions. All right. Now I'll give you 2 minutes. All of you, you can ask the questions. You people had some questions, right? You can ask the questions now.
Sir, there was a
One by
power cut
one
in my home.
one by one. Yeah.
Sir,
Who
there
was
was
that?
a power
You
home,
tell your
so
name.
I
Tell your name. Rohit and Abhi, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Tell
Sir,
about
tokens.
tokens. Yeah. Okay, you want to know what is token? That's what I told. See, don't go too technical. Okay, so that is not actually for you people. Don't worry. What I'm telling is tokens are nothing but these words, what you see, right? Let's say, let me make it more simple for you. This is one token. This is one token. This is one token. Okay. What it will do is internally, there are so many technical things will happen that you don't worry. Okay. You're not so matured enough to work on those things as of now. Why I told you is, if you see here, the difference is if I say bank, it will not understand. When I say river bank, what it will do, this is one token, this is one token. It will try to understand what I should do. See, this is one token, right? Now this is one more token. It will understand how this token has been used. Now you just observe. Okay, let me tell you one more example. I went to bank, which is near the river. Now you see, river bank is different. Bank near the river is different. See, if I say bank near the river, you can see that there is one more token got added. Now what happens? You'll try to understand what is there next to this. You'll keep on understanding what is there next to this. Depending on that, it'll understand the statement. It is not like, how it will, when I speak, you will understand, correct? So it's not like that. So in in AI tools, what happens is technically it will try to understand based on the tokens. You see, three different statement. One is bank. Then I mentioned river bank. Then I mentioned bank near river. So all these are different actually. Here I'm not so clear. Here I'm clear that it is river bank. Here it is clear that it is bank near river. Okay, so it all depends. Depending on the text what I'm giving, it will break that into different tokens and then it will try to speak to each other. Let's say it will try to understand each other and then it will give me the output. Got it? Abhi? Understood? Don't think too much, okay? Just understand enough. You're not so matured enough to understand the complete thing now. Yeah. Any other question? Someone was asking another question. Yeah?
Sir, sir,
Yeah, Rahit, yeah.
sir, does more takes more time?
What is that?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Wait more. Sir, pass. Sir, does more tokens takes more time to reply?
Yes, obviously. See, you know how it is. Let me tell you one thing. You know, if you give more statements, it'll keep on checking here. Okay. And one more thing. One more thing.
Can
What
I do
happens is
this?
here you can see there are some credits. Okay. You can see that Claude, what it will do is when it is searching, it will get over soon. The credits will get over soon. You can see that there are some credits. Suddenly it will not work. It will say that your credits are over. How this will happen? Only because everything, whenever I'm running, so all this will be using the credits. Okay, when you use a very big, say prompt, what it will do, it will keep on searching and the credits are over. That's why what we'll do is we'll try to make the prompt as short as possible so that we can save the credits. And again, you know how it is. See here, you can see that I want the real animals in the image. It is, see, I'll do one thing. I'll take this prompt. Okay, just observe this, all of you. I'll say, I want the real animals in the image. It got the image. Let's go to another chat. I will paste the same prompt here. Just see this. Let's see what it will give. Now
Can I
here,
do this in the phone?
yeah,
Can I do this in the phone?
in what? In Japan. What is that?
Can I do this in the phone?
Hi, Dr. Adi. How are you?
No, Ahmad, sorry, I am.
Yeah. How
Yeah,
are you,
I'm very
boss?
sorry. I'm not able to understand. You can type.
Yeah. This is my children, Elia. He
Yeah, and
asking
thank you
he
so
can.
and thank you so much
Yeah.
for coming for this session. And I'm very thankful that you sent a request on LinkedIn as well.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Boss. Yeah. He asking he can do for example, creating the image from his phone.
Yeah, phone. Yes, you can do it. You can do it.
Oh,
Yes, you can do
yeah.
it.
Okay. Thank you.
You can do it. You can do it.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Adi.
Yeah, yeah. Thing is, I cannot show that mobile here. So that's why what I did is I'm using this system. Good that Emma has taken this question. People, if you are using mobile, it's the same thing. Okay. But there is nothing difference in that. So it is same thing actually. See here. Can you see this? Same prompt,
Yes,
but I'm
sir.
getting different image. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that means when you go here, you know what happens? Let me tell you. When I use this prompt, it is going to its chain here like this. Now, again, this is running twice. Okay, that is why Claude, I'll tell you, Claude is very, very interesting and very nice AI tool. But the problem is it use like this very fast. That's why, we lose the credits very soon. Okay. So whenever you're writing the prompts, you should be a little careful about it. If you have a paid version, okay, it will give more credits. So it is fine. Otherwise, you might lose the credits soon. Okay. So you can use mobile and also you can create it. No problem. Okay. Right. Any other questions? Gaurik, you have a question? Gaurik? No questions, people? Okay. Now, one more feedback. How are you feeling now after this second feedback I'm asking? Now, how are you feeling? Little more technical things we learned, correct? Quickly, I'll give 30 seconds. For me, the feedback, I don't want stories, just 30 seconds. How did you feel about this part? Tell me, then we'll go for next part. Thank you, Bhavik. Quick, it should be quick. I'm not telling you people to write the stories. One word is also enough. Good, bad, ugly, anything is fine. Very, very nice. Thank you, Bhuvan. Thanks, Imad. Thank you so much, Rohit.
Sir,
Very
I'm
good.
feeling very
Yeah,
good.
yeah, Rohit.
I'm feeling very good, sir.
Yeah,
I'm feeling like
you're feeling very good. Okay, very good. Very good. Use AI in a very good way. Okay, all of you kids. Okay, right. So let's go to next slides. Okay, all of you stop typing. Okay, let's go to next slides. People, today I have, the informations more. Okay, why? Because people have to know all these things before working. Why I'm telling is, what? People. Okay, right. Just seeing how many slides are there. Okay, fine. Now, let's understand this AI. Okay, so here afterwards, there are, something very interesting, very simple to make you people understand about AI. So most of the people actually feel that previously, just few minutes back, someone was telling it is very complicated, confusing and all. Don't worry. Just think like this. AI learns just like you. You people are so intelligent, even when I go to some corporate companies, or individually also, they'll not ask so many questions. So kids have so many questions. That means I'll tell you, the kids have got a more enthusiastic way of learning. I can feel that actually. Okay, so you people will be very much eager. Uh, so it is just like you people. AI is also something like you. What it will do, say, you learn from teachers. You go to school, you learn from teachers. AI is also something like that. The artificial intelligence is exactly like that. But you know what it will do? You people will be learning from teacher what she teaches from the books, and she'll write on the board, and the people make a note of it, and you'll go back, and your tuition teacher or say your parents will make you people learn. But what AI will do is it'll take the data, everything, okay, whatever is there, everything is from data. It'll try to understand the data, it'll try to read the data, and it'll keep on storing in its memory. So whenever we ask something, it'll give the answer. But how? Say, for example, now it is holidays, summer vacation, and say after 2 months, you people will start going to school. Let's say in June, you will start the school. First chapter in June, then second chapter, third chapter. By the end of, say, this year, you would have finished one complete book. That means in your head, you have, say, 10 chapter, 15 chapter, 20 chapter. Okay. Now, day one, you'll have very less information in your brain. But after 10 months, if you'll ask, you'll have, say, 10 chapters or 20 chapters. How? Because you keep on updating yourself. AI tool is also like that. Today, it learns something. Tomorrow, if something comes, again, it will start learning. So it will learn, it will keep on learning. Say, more learning, more smart, more information. That's all. So even AI will work just like us. We also learn and improve our memory in the brain. All the information are there. AI also will keep learning, but the way of learning will be different. We are learning from whatever we see around, whatever we learn from the books. This AI will learn from the data, the information. That's all. Okay, right. Let's say real-time examples where the AI is used. Already you people have mentioned Alexa, Alexa. Someone was telling, right? Alexa, you can see that Instagram filters. I've seen many kids actually use that, right? You go to Instagram filters and make various different funny things and all. That is because of artificial intelligence. Lot of apps have come, artificial intelligence. YouTube suggestions, which you've already discussed. Gaming characters, you can see. I'm very poor in games. Don't ask which game. I'm very poor in games, but you can see that all 3D games, so many games are there. You can see all these are created by AI itself. Okay, right. Next, why do we use AI? Okay, this is very important. Why should we use AI? Let's say 10 years back or 20 years back, AI was there. See, I'll tell you, AI actually started in 1950, the research. That you forget. That was not so successful at that time. Then again, in 1990, they had so much of investment on that. Many things came. But now, AI has become part of our life. It is compulsory. Like we have mobile. Now AI is everywhere now. So why do we use AI? Say AI makes life easy and fast. Okay. It will make our life easy. How? It will save time. It will help us learn very fast. It will help us create a lot of things, even if you don't know program. Okay. Why? Most of the kids, if you see that, say, few days back, I saw one guy, I forgot his name, 13 years boy is actually having his own company. 13-year-old boy. When I was 13 years, I even didn't know what to do. I was just studying only books. But nowadays, kids are they are opening their own companies, they are building their own apps, they are making their own movies, YouTube channel, everything. How? That is because this AI can give any informations, can give any output very soon, whatever I need. So there is something called as vibe. Okay. Let me just take one notepad and I'll just type, say, vibe code. Okay. What is this vibe? So this is actually the trending word vibe. So what is vibe? I'll tell you. Vibe code. Vibe code means I don't know coding. I will just give the requirement for the ChatGPT or Claude or something. It will give me the output. I will copy that and paste it and I'll start creating the application. That is called as vibe coding. Vibe coding is I am not experienced in that. What you people are doing, that is vibe coding. Say someone asked, can I create app? Can I create a website? All these are vibe coding. How? When I want to create one, say website, okay? So you have to learn Python, then Django, HTML. Now, if I say all these things, what is this? But if you go to one chat GPT or say, you go to one app, you just type, I want to make one website. It'll give the website. So that is done. So you people are least bothered about what is Django, what is Python. You are least bothered, but you're only concentrating on the output, which you don't know the coding, but still you are making that application work much more better than people who code. That is called as vibe coding. Okay, so it's a trending word now. People are actually working on that. Even the professionals are coming into this vibe coding. Okay, right. Now let's have some fun time. Can AI think without humans? What do you think, people? You can answer. Can the AI tools think without humans? I asked a question. You can answer quickly. Mostly no. Or no, 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 no. Yes. Okay, people. I'll tell you. In the beginning itself, I told artificial intelligence. Okay, it is not so equivalent to human intelligence. Whatever it is, something goes wrong, it cannot rectify itself. Okay, whatever instructions we give, it will actually work on that. But now I just read, say 2 days back, Claude is coming up with some workflows where it can think by itself and it will start working by itself. But still, I'm not sure how correct it is, or say how accurate it is. It can work, that I'm not sure. But yes, as of now, humans, whatever is there, human intelligence is always the best one. Okay, let me just see, someone has posted a question also. Another 2 slide, guys, and after that we'll have discussions. Okay, right. So people, we have to be there, humans should be there. Okay, so whatever instructions we give, it will give the output. But there are some machines what they're actually trying to create where it will think by itself, but still it can be controlled by humans. Okay, right.
Sir,
You are the
showed the
boss.
slide. You
Huh?
showed the slide where it was already written.
Which one?
No, this one only showed the slide.
Ah,
From here I saw.
this is actually PDF. Okay, so it will not animate. I understood what you're telling. The answer is already there because it's a PDF which I generated for creating you people. So it will not animate. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir,
But I
Ah,
still answered by myself.
pardon?
sir,
Yeah.
sir, yeah, you opened like you're sharing your screen, right, sir? Like you made some designs and all. Did you take a help of AI?
Yes, obviously. Obviously, good question, Gaurav. Yeah, people, let me tell you, I was little scared now that whether I share the screen or not. Okay, right. People, all of you listen. It's a good question. Let me tell you from here. Okay, let me go back. All of you see here. Okay, I'll take your questions. No worries. Let me go back. Okay, can you see this person? This guy? All of you? Yes, no.
Yes,
Can you see
sir.
this guy who is
Yes, sir.
standing here? You know who is he?
Yes.
Who is that guy?
You, sir.
Huh?
Sir, you.
It
Sir,
is
you.
me.
Sir,
It is me.
you, sir, you.
It is me.
Yes, yes, sir.
You think?
Yes.
Okay, 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 okay. You think I'm so
Head.
smart?
Said the head. Said the head.
Huh?
Sir, the head
Sir,
of this summer camp.
Okay, no, I'm asking this guy. If you see this guy, you're
Sir,
telling
the
that.
boss of the sir, the boss of the
Huh,
summer camp.
what is that?
The boss of the summer camp.
Boss of the summer
The
camp. Okay, no,
boss
I'm
of
my
the
my.
summer.
No, 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 no. 1 minute, 1 minute. Wait, 1 minute. Don't get confused. I'm just asking. My question is this
Sir,
guy.
it's you.
You so you people are telling that it is me, but you people think that I am so handsome and smart.
yes, sir.
Yeah, really?
Yes.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay, okay.
sir.
Sir, that is
Oh,
real.
okay, 1 minute. Let me tell you. Okay, one
Uh,
minute, 1 minute, one
I told
minute.
that
Uh, who told?
sir, just now I told that
Uh,
someone was asking you, you
mm,
told that uh, I'm not smart, but if you're not smart,
uh.
then who are you? But teaching this, sir.
No, no, no. I'm talking about the looks, not about my brain. I don't know. Forget about the brain. I'm telling about the looks. I'm not so handsome. Okay, people, all of you. Now, wait, let me speak. Okay, you
Yes, sir.
kids keep speaking. Let me
Sir,
just
did you
speak. Uh, yeah,
sir, did you make your photo with using AI?
let me tell you. That's what. Give me some time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me tell you. See, people, this person, what you see here, that is not me. This is not me. This is my AI. Okay. If you say this, I really don't have this t-shirt also. And my hair's also not like this. Okay. You've seen me, right? When I was in the camera. So I'm not so smart or I'm not so handsome also. This is because of AI. We all want to see ourselves very smart, right? So this is also AI. I just did this. I'll tell you why. The entire image, what you see here, this is done by AI. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. All of you. Let me just walk you through. See here, I took this chat GPT and I'll go to this images and you see, I'll show you just if I scroll down, can you see here? Can you see this?
Oh my God, sir.
See?
Sir,
Sir,
so
how
you,
many
you
people?
use all.
Yeah, I use what?
Did you
Sir,
just
The voice is not clear, people.
sir, did you
Huh?
use all of those photos with ChatGPT?
Yeah.
Did you did you use all of
sir,
these photos with ChatGPT?
sir, did you use AI, artificial intelligence?
Okay. Just give me few minutes. I will speak now. Okay. All of you be silent. All the kids be silent. So this, whatever you see, all the slides I did using AI, that is ChatGPT for you people. Okay. Why? Because usually what we do is we'll take one notepad or say we'll take one word and then we'll create the notes. But to make it more interesting, it should be more interesting, right? You can see all these images. If people are liking it, correct?
Robot images, sir.
Yeah. So you can see there are so many images which you people are liking it, correct? Otherwise, what we do, I'll show you. See how we actually take trainings for people who are professionals, say about 20 years and all. So what we do, we'll take the training something like this. Say our notes will be something like this. If you just see here, you just see the notes how it will be. If I show the notes like this, you people will not like. Why? Because you people are in the age where you like more of say images, cartoons kind of thing, correct? See here,
Yes,
if
sir.
I show something like this, will you like this? If people
No, sir.
like this?
Sir,
Ille. No.
it's good, sir.
No, it is good.
Sir, it's
But
good.
no, it is good, I
Sir,
know.
it's
But
good, sir.
I know it is good. But this is better than that, correct? All these images and
Yes,
all.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
uh,
Sir, yes, sir.
yes. So what I'm telling,
That
you people, we
sir,
should.
sir, how do you can you just tell us how do you do that?
I will tell you. This entire 5 days is to make you people work and write prompts, create applications, images, videos, everything like this. I will tell you how to do that. Okay, don't worry. Every day, one chapter. Now, if I tell everything, what happens? You people will get confused. But you should promise me one thing, that you should think me as your friend. Okay, all of you. Don't call me boss. I am your friend. You are the boss, not me. Correct? Yes?
Yes, sir.
People? Yeah, you are the boss. I am your friend. Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
worry. Right. Now, be silent for few minutes. After that, we can chit chat. No worries. After that, even I don't have work, we'll speak. Now, what can you create by using AI? Okay. We can create games, we can create cartoons, websites, music, apps, and stories. Okay. Now, what do you want to create? What are you people here say?
Apps.
Yeah?
Cartoons,
Apps.
Cartoons, very good.
Games.
Then
games,
Sir, apps.
games, apps.
stories,
Websites. Sir,
Okay.
stories,
websites.
Websites,
stories,
stories,
Games.
games.
sir, sir,
Hmm?
app which everyone likes to use to make game, like Sakai.
No. The people are very much interested in making games, correct?
Sir, no,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I'm saying, sir, no, sir, I'm saying like a app which everyone used to make games for them,
Hmm?
which AI instantly turns it into game. Just write
Hmm.
something and AI
Hmm.
instantly turns it to a game, like Sakai, sir.
Okay, okay. No worries. We'll do it. Okay, I will show you. One day we'll see how to make videos. One day we'll see how to make apps. One day we'll create websites, and we'll see how actually we can launch it. Okay, everything I'll teach you. But
Okay,
people,
sir.
all the kids, when you came, I was playing one song. You heard that song?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How many of you wants
No, sir.
to? No? Okay. I will play that
Sir,
again. I
No,
will play
sir.
that again. I will play that.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
worry. I will
Yes,
play
sir.
that
sir,
again.
please, sir.
Listen, listen, listen.
Okay.
Listen. I will
Sir,
play that
no.
again. Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
will I will play that again. Don't worry. See, I will just show you. There is one website called as suno.com.
Suno,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know this? How many of you know this?
Sir, me.
Sir,
No,
I
sir.
sir.
I don't know, sir. I'm Bhavi. Sir,
Okay.
Rahitya.
Okay. See here.
Sir, don't
Suppose,
know. Sir,
huh?
no.
Okay. Suno.com is a website which will help me in generating music and songs. Okay. So now to make it more interesting, I'll just show you something. Just we'll go here. Anyways, this is
Sir,
just
how
for
to
you people to
control
understand.
history?
Listen, listen, listen. Okay. Now we'll take one lyrics here. I don't know how to write the lyrics. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go here. We'll say we learned AI basics. Okay. For that, we are happy. All the kids wants to make a song. So please,
Sir,
ah,
the sir,
ah,
you
what
wrote
up?
the and kids together.
Okay. Now it's correct. Correct?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
No
Sir.
worries. It'll, you know, the chat GPT will give even that also. Don't worry. Okay. So please give lyrics to make a song for all the super kids here in the class. Okay. I just gave one prompt. Now I'll say, I don't know how to make music. I don't know how to write the lyrics. You just see here. It is giving me the lyrics. Can you see that?
Sir,
See?
sir,
Ah,
can you show your face?
can you see here?
Sir, I
See?
have I
Ah,
got it.
see? I just messaged. You remember that I gave some names also here. Can you see here? I gave Bhuvan, Gaurik, Nakshatra, Shripad. That also it is taken because it was there in the memory. See?
Sir,
Now let me go here. I will copy
sir,
this. Ah,
sir.
yes, ma.
I also tried it, sir. I got it.
Very good, very good. See here, I will go here. I'll say create, and let's say we'll create a new one. Okay, let me just delete this and paste it. Now here I have the styles. I want this to be something like, let's say I'll go here and I'll say I want the style with guitar. Okay, and a rap song. Okay, with fast track. Okay, I'm just giving the style now. I don't know the music, right? So you see, it is giving me even the style as well. I just need only the style, not the lyrics. Okay, I'm just showing you people how actually you can also make some music here. See, it is giving me the style. I am just copying this. Okay, now I'll go back and I'll paste it. You can see the lyrics, you can see the styles. If I say create, it will create. See, I just click on this create, it will create the song what I wanted. So AI can do anything now. See, it is generating the song what we just created. Mean we just pasted there. Okay, so AI, even if you're creating apps, it is very easy. So next, when we actually try to
So can
create
you
apps,
explain this
I'll
once
show you
again?
that. Okay, see, it's getting generated. Once it is generated, I'll play that song as well and I'll show.
So
It
can
will
you
take some
explain
time.
what do you mean by styles?
Pardon?
What do you mean by styles?
Style is how my music should be. Say, for example, now you're very much interested in a classical song. I'm very much interested in guitar. I'm very much interested in flute. Okay. So you can say whatever you are interested. Let's say, for example, I want to make one patriotic song where I have a violin in that, or I want to play drums. I want to play mridangam. So that is called as styles. Lyrics means the song, whatever we write. See, this song is done. Now listen, okay? Now don't talk. See here, I'll play this song. See, within few seconds.
We walked into class with a curious mind. So many questions we wanted to find. What is AI? How does it think? Now we know more in just one blink. Click, learn, explore, and play. We're getting smarter every day. We are super kids, shining bright. Learn AI, reaching new heights. Dreaming big, we touch the sky. Future stars, that's you and I. Moving is coding ideas so fast. Garik is solving puzzles that last. Nakshatra shines with creative flair. Sripat builds magic everywhere.
You saw that? See, there is one more. Okay. See, this is another one.
We are super kids, shining bright, learning. In just one blink, click, learn.
So it is giving different variations.
In just one blink, click, learn.
Okay. So this is Suno. So likewise for everything. Okay. If I'm creating one games, there are some AI applications or websites, cartoons, websites, apps, stories for all this. Like what I just showed Suno. Similarly, we have for creating all these games and things like that. Now, let's say I'll go back. I'll show you one more thing. Okay. But anyways, in detail, we'll be learning all this in the next classes. I'll go to this Gemini. See here, can you see the storybook? I'll click on the storybook. If I click on the storybook, it'll give me something like this. See, where I can create one story. Say I'll go here. I will say, I want to create a story of all the super kids who are attending the class. That's all. You just see, I'll say, now, now this will create a storybook now. So you can create like this. So all this, I'll give you all the details, how you can create the stories, how you can create websites, all this. See, the storybook is getting created. So it is very easy now. Only thing is you have to know how to write the prompt. That's why I told the prompt engineering is very important. But for you people, how to write prompts in a simple and easiest way, I showed you that rule, correct? Follow this rule. Okay. This rule. Say role, task, you know, I will share this PPT with you. I'll share this PDF with you. I've already shared in that website. You can download that and you can use it. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, as you told that Suno that it's a website, right, sir? It can
Yeah.
create a song. Should we sign in for that?
Yeah, you have to sign. But people, one more thing, I'll tell you all you people, listen carefully. This suno.com, whatever is there, this is a paid website. Okay. You can see that it generated some songs. It is saying upgrade for full song. If you want to make a birthday song for your dad, mom, your friends, or something, you can make it, but don't publish. Okay. See, I had the paid version. I can use it in YouTube, Instagram, anywhere. But if you're actually using free version, don't use anywhere. This is my suggestion actually. Why? Because they can fine you people. Okay, you can see that it says upgrade for full song. That means if you want, if you go here, it lasts for money. Can you see that? Okay, so you can make
So, sir,
songs, no
basically, we
problem.
can use it for free also.
You can use it. I'm telling you, you can use it, but don't publish it. When I say publish, don't use wherever you think that in a YouTube. It can actually block you. It can say copyrights. Okay. See here, it will give 50 credits. For 10 credits, you can create 4 songs. In that, 2 songs will be full, 2 songs will be 1 minute, which will ask for money. Okay. So
Okay,
please be
sir.
careful about it. Okay. Now, if you see, I just gave one story. Let's see whether it is done.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, what do you mean by
yeah,
credits?
yeah.
What do you mean by credits?
Credits means, say, for example, I pay some money and I'll get some coupons and I can use it anywhere I want. Say, for example, in your school, you have a mela. Okay. So you'll go, you'll say 100 rupees, you'll take some coupons. Now, using that coupons, you can use it anywhere you want. So once that coupons are finished, done. Again, you have to go, you have to purchase it.
Sir,
See,
how much is one coupon?
no, it's not coupon. I just gave an example. Credits depends on
How
application
much?
to application. It's called as credits, not coupon.
Sorry, sir. I got
Yeah, I gave
confused.
an example. No, don't ask sorry. I just gave an example. That's all. Don't worry. These things we'll learn tomorrow. Okay. Can you see this? I just gave one storybook. See here.
Yes, sir.
See, I just gave simply some, prompt. If I would have given some correct story, it will give nice stories actually. You can create within few seconds, you can create the story. This is just a story what I gave. What was that? Just say about super kids, right? Okay. Right. So you are the future creators, not just users. So you will build things. What is that? So here I've just left blank so that you people can start creating apps, websites, everything you will learn. Till Friday, you people will be with me. Okay. All right. See, fun activity. We just created one story. We created one cartoon also. We created one music also. If you want, you can create one joke also. It is very easy. Okay. I will teach you all these things. Don't worry. But
Sir, can you just say how to create a cartoon again?
how to create what?
A
Cartoon.
cartoon.
Learn how to create a story, a cartoon, movie, and a video game.
100% yes. From beginning, I'm telling you people, today it is just
Sir,
the
can
information.
you create a joke?
Okay.
Sir,
I
can
will
you
Sir,
create
create.
can
a
you create a
joke?
cartoon and
Yes,
show us
yes.
now?
We'll create. Okay.
A cartoon
We
Sir,
now,
will.
sir,
can you
please.
create create a game, I'll play.
No, no, not now. Okay, it will take time. There is a, see, there are 5 days.
Create
There are 5 days, right? In that, one day it is only for games. One day only for website. One day for making movies, YouTube, Instagrams. Okay. Now you want to create one joke. See here. I want to create a joke on all the kids sitting here. Okay. See, nice idea. AI class joke. See, why are all the kids in the class so quiet? Because even Google is taking notes from them. Smart kids joke. I asked who is the smartest kid here. Everyone raised their hand. Good confidence level, 100%. AI level is loading. That means the people are actually getting loaded. All AI is getting loaded in your brains. Teacher says, what are you learning today? The kid says AI. Then teacher, what about yesterday? Yesterday also AI. We are upgrading daily like a software. Understood? So every day you people are learning AI. So you can create some jokes like this. You just give. So I just gave one prompt here like this. If you want some silly jokes, it's a silly jokes. Specifically, you give some specific prompts. It will give that particular prompt. I mean the output. Sorry.
Sir,
Okay. Huh?
sir,
Yes, ma. Tell. Go ahead. Go ahead.
sir, I have a riddle for you.
You have what?
A riddle for you.
Riddle. Okay. What is that?
What will happen if we put all the humans on Earth in a blender?
What is that? What you?
What will happen if we put all the humans on Earth in a blender?
Blender. Can you type it? I am not able to understand.
The blender is too small to fit all the humans in it.
To make a web page, we use HTML or CSS. Both are actually important. Sai, both are important. Now I didn't get your riddle actually. Can you type it?
Sir, I have a riddle for you.
That's what you just type. I'm not able to understand your riddle.
Sir, but I'm not able to type.
Okay. Okay, tell I'll type.
Sir, why do you think, sir,
Ah,
in every shop it's full noisy, but in one shop, why is it not nice, noisy?
what is that? In every shop?
It's full noisy.
No, I'm not able to understand your question.
Sir, I have a joke for you, sir.
Okay, tell.
Sir, how do we tell Gulab to go to moon?
How
Gulab jamun.
do? How do? What is that? How
We tell
do?
Gulab moon.
How do we take gulab jamun? Huh?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Gulab jamun where?
Sir, no, sir. How do we tell Gulab to go
Gulab
to moon?
jamun.
No, gulab means what? The jamun is it?
Sir, rose.
No, sir. Gulab is a flower.
It's a flower. Okay. How do we take gulab to moon? Huh?
Gulab
Sir, how do we
jamun.
tell Gulab to go
Gulab
to moon?
jamun.
No, it is
Sir,
gulab or gulab jamun.
Gulab.
sir,
Now you people are confusing me. Ah,
Sir, the question
sir
is
is
how do
asking
you
that
say
how to
rose
take
to
a
go to the
gulab
moon?
to a moon.
okay. How to take gulab to moon? Then I'll say gulab jamun. That's all.
Yes, sir.
See? Okay. Gauri has sent something. What will happen
Sir,
if you put all the
sir,
human in a blender? Okay.
sir, the
Let
blender is
me.
too small to put all the humans in it.
Yeah. So what I'll do, I'll take this. I will paste here and I'll say enter. Oh my God. See here. I cannot help with anything harming people. Say you are going to dark humor. What happens if you put all the humans in blender? You get one big. What is it? I don't know. What is
Smoothie
the
of
answer?
idea.
Yeah.
Smoothie of idea.
No, I
Smoothie
have
of
no
idea.
idea. What is that? Okay. Anyways. Okay. Let's speak about all these riddles or something some other time. Okay. Right. So people, all the parents, I guess parents are there. Parents,
Sir,
thank you. Yeah,
sir, I have sent you a riddle, sir. Can you just check it
which one?
in the chat?
You sent once again. One more.
No, yeah, one more riddle I sent
Okay,
in the
let me
chat.
check. What is that? What is the only thing you can eat when bathing? What is that? I don't know. Let me check with ChatGPT.
No,
Okay,
sir,
I will check with
sir, just
ChatGPT.
wait. a minute.
Wait, wait.
Sir,
Let's see if
sir,
this will answer.
sir, I have sent you.
Ah, that's
Sir,
what
when
you sent to me. Soap. That's the answer.
Sir,
Is that the answer?
no, sir.
no, sir,
Oh my
that's the
God.
riddle.
What is that?
No. It's a shawarma because a shower and it's shawarma.
Oh, okay, okay. Shawarma. Got it, got it, got it. See, even you are intelligent than ChatGPT. Very
Sir,
good, very good. I got some new things to learn. I think, we people are still have to get upgraded, right? So you people, one day we'll do one thing. I'll take one webinar or say we'll take one class. You people teach me all these questions. You ask questions and teach me all these answers, okay?
Sir, you sent the answers.
Yeah, okay, right. All the
sir, I
kids.
just have a doubt here.
Oh,
Sir, sir, how can this AI generate the answers or some images in just few seconds? Why
generate
does it
what?
not take much? Generate answer or any images in few minutes. Why does it not take much time?
Uh,
Where does the like memory or somewhat the answers come from?
no, you one question you answer. I mean, you ask me one question.
So, sir, here if we type a question or tell it to generate an image, how can it make it in just few seconds? Why not? Why can't it take like more time? How is it possible?
Because it is AI, it is fast.
See, the program is written like that. Okay.
Okay.
So because of prompt, less prompt,
Yeah,
less
because of
time.
the prompt, it will understand. And I told you all the data is actually kept there. So what happens is it will try to understand.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. So there are some more questions. What is that? We can't take gulab to moon because there is no oxygen. Okay. All right. Bhuvan, what is deep search in AI? So deep search means, say, let me just show you. So in any AI tools, okay, people, when I'm actually going here, you can see here you can say deep search, thinking. Okay, there are some more quiz, canvas, web search. See, we are actually telling the AI tool what to do. Now, when I say create image, it will create image. When I say thinking, it will start thinking about in more, more broader way. When I say deep search, what it will do is it will take more context. When I say context and information, it will try to go in depth of it. Means if you just see here, I just gave one prompt here. It is just giving me just that result. That's all. Whatever it understands. But when I say deep research, it will start researching. It will start go. It will go in depth of the information. More keywords will be there, and what it will do is depending on that, it will give us still more important information. Okay, so usually all these will be done by people who actually do more of research works, or they want some more content. So these kind of people actually will use this. Okay, right, people. Now it is time, 8 o'clock. Your parents will scold me, then you people have to go have dinner
Sir,
and you have to sleep also. Correct?
sir,
Ah,
sir,
yeah.
sir, do you remember my
Sent
father?
you a riddle.
Remember your father.
Yeah,
What's his name?
Karthikeyan.
Ah, Karthikeyan. Okay. Yeah, yeah, no,
Sir,
no. Okay.
sir, before in the starting of the class, you talk with some kid's father named Shiva.
I know, I know. Bhuvan, can it answer my question in different perspective, like different mindset? Different mindset means what actually you're telling, Bhuvan? So, can you be specific? Bhuvan, can it answer my question? Yes, it will. See, it will, see, I'll tell you what AI will do. Whatever it is trained, keep in mind, all of you just understand how AI tools will work. AI tools will work based on the data what it has got, based on the trained information what it has got. Okay. It is not only about thinking. What it will do is it will go in depth. Say, for example, I'm just giving the instructions for each and every AI. Say, for example, if you go here, I mentioned, right? So here, if you see, here I have to mention what actually you should do. If you go to Claude, see here, it has got a different, options actually. If you see here, it's got skills, then connectors. So each and every app has got its own way of, the app should think, the AI has to think. Now, if you see here, say if I go to this deep search in your case, what it will do, I told you, it will go with more keywords. It will start searching for more keywords and more information, and it will go broader way. Say, for example, now if you think that you want to go with more websites, with more information available online, so it will go broader way, and then it will give me the information. But depending on what actually you're searching, depending on what actually you're asking the AI, the credits will be keep on going. Now, when I use just image, it will start using that's create the credits. If I say research, it will start looking for more, and it start going and going and going and searching with the keywords. You might lose the credits. So you should use all this only when it is required. Otherwise, you can just leave it. Say now, if you say quiz, it has got its own way of giving the quiz. Say, give some question here, it will create some quiz. Say, I want to go search only web, like what this Google will do, like that. So it will give answer. But when I say different perspective, it actually keeps say, if I ask the question, it will give the answer in different way. If you ask the question, it will give in a different way because each and every AI tool is trained by us. Okay, so depending on that, right? Bhuvan, did I answer your question?
Maybe I'll take a simple example for
Yeah.
kids. Kids, if you remember, whenever you are eating something, you feel like whether it is sweet or sour or hot and cold. So if your mother asks whether the food is hot and cold, how quickly you can tell? Do you take time or do you tell very quickly whether
Sir,
it's
Bhuvan.
hot or cold?
Mm,
Sir, but you made a mistake in the sentence.
which one?
Sir, of telling hot or cold, he told hot and cold.
Okay, right, people. It is 8-7 now. Okay, I am afraid your parents will surely scold me. Okay, now, all the parents here. Okay, now all the kids, please be silent. Okay, please for a few minutes. Um, Okay. Now, all the parents, thank you so much for being with the kids. I know it is very difficult for all the parents to sit with the kids. I chose this time 6 to 8 because thinking that, everyone will be available and whoever is there, okay, parents, please monitor your kids because it is very important while using AI. It is very dangerous. The more it is useful, the more it is dangerous as well. And before I close this session for the day, okay. Bhuvan, let me answer. You say, does it answer to my question in different way to different prompt to the same question? It depends. Okay, again, I'm telling you, you go to different chat. If you go to different chat and ask the same question, it will keep giving you the different answer. But if the information, okay, it has got the information, it will give you the same context, but with different statement. Okay, now if I ask the question in my chat GPT, it will give different answer. But let's say, for example, who is the father of nation? It will give Gandhi only. If you ask and if I ask, but there are some information. Let's say Bhuvan school. Okay, talk about Bhuvan school. So you know about your school. You would have given some information in the chat GPT of your module. So it will give answer only for that in your chat GPT. If I ask, it will not give. I gave an example also. So what happens? It depends on how you train. Okay. Okay. Shubha is asking how to make long and short videos. Videos, I will tell. Okay. How to make it. Tomorrow we'll do that. Right?
Sir, I
100%
have a
we'll do.
riddle for you.
Now, no more riddles because your parents will start scolding me. Okay. Now, for all the
Sir,
parents
only one
here,
riddle, sir, please, sir.
tomorrow we'll take tomorrow.
Sir, from
Tomorrow.
that time I
One
give you.
minute, sir.
Huh?
Please check it, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I gave you a riddle
Uh,
from long back. Please check it.
oh, I think it has got skipped. Now, what you do, all the kids here, make a list of all the riddles. Okay, we'll take one day only for riddles. Only for riddles. Shubha, I'll tell you
It's
tomorrow.
just
Okay,
some,
don't worry. How to
it's just
make
a
videos without
bit
watermarks.
riddle, sir.
Right.
Sir, please, sir.
So all the kids now, please silence. Okay. Now for the parents, uh, for all the parents, can you just message me just 1 minute, okay? How are you feeling about this sessions? What we have planned, the awareness. So this will actually help me so that I'll feel, say, whatever initiative you have taken, it's useful or not. I don't know. We just took the initiative. So I want the parents who are there now, at least message me. I'll give you 1 minute so that we can end the session. I know you people also want to go and prepare food or say, you have a lot of other things and meetings. So many things are there. So just quickly, 1 minute we'll take and then we'll close. And after that, tomorrow, all the kids, I will take all your riddles tomorrow. We'll do that. Right. Thank you so much. So all of you, just at least one statement how this initiative is useful or whatever you think. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much. And sorry, kids, your riddles will be answered tomorrow. Okay, not today. Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. All of you. Shubha, I will teach you how to make videos. Okay, don't worry. All AI things, whatever is there, you can message me. Whatever is possible from my end, I'll surely teach you people. Okay. And the fifth day, I want all the kids above 13 years, or say, above 15 years, let me know. I will tell you how to write the certification of Claude as well. Okay. Very engaging without have kids sit at home and watch TV and mobiles at one place. Okay, Bhuvan, you have a lot of questions. You make a list of questions. I will answer. Sorry. Whatever is possible, I've given the answer for you, Bhuvan, and others. Any answers, if it is not answered, please make list of it. And people, don't worry. It is not just only 5 days. If at all, you people feel that something is missing, I will surely take one more session. Don't worry. Okay. Right. So thank you so much, all of you. So let's close for the day. All of you go, have food, and sleep early. Don't trouble your parents. Okay. And thank you so much, all the parents. I'm very happy that you people liked it. And let's see what best we can do for all our kids so that they'll get bright future. Okay. Thank you so much, all of you. Bye bye. Take care.